I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Lazy Sunday, thinking maybe, don't you wanna spend some time waiting?
Hello babes, and welcome to this 12 days of Christmas hair series. So let's get right into this hair tutorial. Starting off, you want to go ahead and make sure that you wash your bundles prior. I'm going to be using 4 bundles of 26-inch in Brazilian straight. And you want to go ahead and grab your hair glue and your hair protective solution. And then also you want to grab some hair oil so we can oil our scalp and our hair as well.
Don't keep me waiting, save me now, I'm bowing down.
I'm also going to be grabbing some hairspray, and I'm spraying this onto my braids just to act as another barrier of protection from the hair glue. And this step is optional. It's just something that I like to do for my peace of mind when it comes to my actual real hair.
Welcome to your resurrection, gonna make you come alive. I've got a confession and a craving for you, babe. I just don't want you to become another mistake.
And now we are going to apply the glue protective shield, and this pretty much is a liquid cap, and this is another barrier of protection from the hair glue. So as long as you are putting down protective layers on your quick weave, your hair will be protected and you won't experience any damage. Also, as long as you are removing it properly, you should not experience any damage from the hair glue. So I'm just going to apply that all over the areas where I'm going to be laying down the hair extensions. Let that dry, and then once it completely dries and hardens, I'm going to cut off the excess cap that you see here.
Take me to heaven, got me saying, oh my God, you got me sweating. Take me to heaven, got me saying, oh my God, you got me sweating. Take me to heaven, got me saying, oh my God, you got me sweating.
Now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to do the install. I'm just combing out my bundle that you see here, and I am taking my weft and measuring it from one side of my head to the other, then taking some scissors to cut it, and then I'm going to apply a thin layer of glue onto the weft and apply it to my head. And I'm going to repeat that process all the way up till I get to the top of my head.
Got me on my knees, I'm praying, praying, praying. Got me on my knees, I'm praying. And I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. Baby, come take a shot if you want to. I'ma pull up on the spot. I'll be on my way. Know you going through a lot, let me come through. We can chill for tonight. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way. Love spending all my nights with you, laid up on my chest, girl, I got you. Gotta keep it real, I'm all for you. A lot of girls hit me up, but they not you. You know I'm right here all the time, yeah. You know I come through, hit my line, yeah. You know when you...
Now once I get to the area on the top of my hair where the hair is going to be like following my face, I'm going to begin to curve my wefts slightly when I lay them towards the front, and I'm going to let the video play out to show what I'm saying. So I'm applying a thin layer of glue, and then when I lay that weft down, I'm going to kind of curve it a little bit just so the hair can fall in my face a little bit.
I'll be on my way. Baby, go take a shot if you want to. I'ma pull up on the spot. I'll be on my way.
One of the keys to getting a flawless quick weave installation is track placement. So you just want to make sure that you're being very mindful and intentional on exactly where you're placing the wefts at when you put them on your head, because it will definitely make or break your quick weave install.
bad as us, cause I'm always on a flight. See you overnight, I'ma get you right. Sipping some slight, pouring bottles with the ice. Baby, you're my type, no, she got me like a vice. Like I waited all my life just waiting for you. Baby, gon' take a shot if you want to. I'ma pull up on the spot, I'll be on my way. Know you going through a lot, let me come through. We can chill for tonight, I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way.
Now that we're getting to the very top of our install and we're getting closer to our leave out, this is very crucial. You want to make sure that you are placing your wefts close enough to your leave out so that way you can have the most flawless, effortless blend as possible. As you can see, I do not leave a lot of hair out when I do my leave out quick weaves, and that's because most of my hair is protected and I don't want the hassle of having to blend a lot of my hair into the weave. So if you leave a minimal amount out, it'll be much easier for you to manage throughout the week, throughout the month when you're trying to blend it. right, babe, so this pretty much wraps up this quick weave tutorial. I really hope it was enjoyable and easy to follow. If you are interested in supporting my brand, please check out the description box. It will have all of the links needed. And thank you to any and everyone who has supported my brand and business. I am so grateful, honored, and extremely blessed to have 12,000 plus people who believe in me and who think the way I do. Shout out to y'all. We are the realest. And again, thank y'all. I just can't just say anything besides thank you. And I can't wait to see y'all in the next video, which will be posted tomorrow, because we're doing 12 days of Christmas. La 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 la. All right, aka 12 days of hair. Okay, so yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.